Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. I'm Alicia, and as you can see by the title today, I am doing a back to school lunchbox ideas video. If you didn't know, I'm a mom of 5, and here in Australia, in Queensland anyway, we are going back to school next Wednesday. And having 5 kids, some of them are fussy. I've got one kid with allergies. Having to find ideas that work for all 5 has been a real achievement in this house. So I thought I would share my ideas with you guys. Hopefully it helps with your children, and if you have your own ideas, if you'd like to share, please leave them in the box down below in the comment section. It will mean a lot to me. Love to learn from you guys as well, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Anyway, with all that being said, let's get into today's video. Just a handy tip, if you do chopped up apples for school lunches, I find putting a rubber band around them stops them from going brown. Or also if you put in half a lemon juice into some cold water and put the apple slices in there, that also stops them from going brown. So my first idea I'm sharing is just a ham and cheese and lettuce wrap. I recently learned this technique on how to actually fold a wrap. I didn't realize I was doing it wrong. So I'm just showing. It's really simple. You just cut half the wrap and then you just fold like I just did, and it's really simple. But anyway, if I gave my kids a ham and cheese lettuce sandwich, they will not eat it. But if I put the same things in a wrap, they seem to love it. So here's an idea I thought that might help if you haven't tried wraps with your children. Mine absolutely love it, and I like to serve it with just lots of fruit and veggies and a packet of crisps or some shapes, and they just enjoy this. Another great lunchbox idea is mac and cheese. It's so simple. I make a big batch because I am making lunches for 5 boys a day, so that may look like a lot for you. So just some mac and cheese with some oranges, chocolate chip cupcakes. I normally like to put my cupcakes in the freezer so they're frozen, and by the time they eat it, it's thawed, and it helps keep their lunchbox cool as well. And just some Cruskets or Rivita is another family favorite, and I put some avocado dip, and yeah, they're good to go. So just sharing another wrap idea. Instead of ham, you can do chicken. I like to buy chicken from Coles, from the deli section, so the barbecue chicken, and I will shred it on a Sunday or Monday and just put it in a container into the fridge, and we try and use it up within 2 to 3 days normally. I mean, with our kids we use it pretty fast. But yeah, just another wrap, again served with some veggies and banana and fruit and some chips. Corn chips they seem to love, and these Cruskets are really a huge hit in our house, and avocado dip is a go-to for them at the moment. I found these really lovely reusable bags at Kmart, and I like to just put their banana and apple into this, just something separate because it doesn't fit in their lunchbox, as well as their packed lunch, and then they're good to go. I'm quickly going to show you guys how I make my chicken patties for the boys' lunchboxes. It's just chicken mince, 1 egg, some grated up carrot, and breadcrumbs, salt and pepper. And I'll show you guys how I put it all together and make it. It's really simple, and my kids absolutely love it. So just put the chicken mince into a bowl. You can use turkey mince or beef mince or whatever mince you prefer. We eat a lot of beef mince for dinner, so the kids prefer for their lunches chicken or turkey. So you just kind of mush it all up, and then you add a whisk, 1 egg, and a bit of grated carrots. I use 2 carrots. They were small. You can put zucchini in if you want. I just didn't have any, so I didn't bother. And salt and pepper, and whiz it all up, and then you just make little balls, and you'll see in a minute I just fry them in a frying pan with a little bit of olive oil until they're cooked through, and just flip them over. And the carrot gives them such a nice flavor or texture when it gets all crispy. It's quite delicious. I could eat this myself. I like to put about 3 or 4 of the chicken patties in their lunchbox, and these little tiny jars, I found them at the dollar store or variety store. They're actually a good place to look for any container options or any bottles or anything you're looking for, by the way. Yeah, so I just serve it with some ketchup or barbecue sauce and some fruit and veggies, and they're good to go, and this is one of their favorite lunches. On Fridays, I like to give them a little treat, so I'm making some mini pancakes. This pan is from a kitchen store. I'll link it down below. I just use a normal pancake recipe. I'll link the recipe down below as well for you guys. It's really simple, and I just make these mini fun pancakes. Or you could buy the pikelets from Coles or Woolies or Aldi's and put that into their lunchbox. But I make these myself, and I put them in Ziploc bags and then freeze them, and on a Friday the kids will pull them out and put them into their lunchboxes. I'm adding chocolate chips just to be, you know, extra special on a Friday. Yeah, and I normally like to give them hard-boiled egg in their lunchbox only because I feel like it's not going to fill them up otherwise if I just put this along with their chips and snacks and fruit. So yeah, they're happy kids. Also, I'm sure many of you already do this, but we find making our lunches the night before seems to make things go so smoothly the next day, and also just having easy grab and go lunches for the kids for whatever reason. If I can't do their lunches, I know the older boys can help the younger brothers make their lunch. Thought I'll just share that with you guys, and I always put an ice pack into the kids' lunch boxes because we live in Brisbane and it's so hot and you just don't want food to go off. But thanks for watching, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.